Leo the lion had a mansion, a sports car, and an empty wallet. Want to know why? Today we will learn the real reason Leo went broke, even with all that luxury. Leo loved fancy things, a big mansion, a shiny red car, even a diamond studded bathtub. But every month his bills got bigger. Sky high electricity bills, driver's pay, pool repairs, car insurance. Leo's money gone before he could even blink. Then one day, Leo found a book by Robert Kiyosaki. It said, "Buy assets, not liabilities." An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes it out. Leo sold his mansion and bought 3 small homes. Now rent money came in even when he napped in the sun. Wealth isn't what you show, it's what keeps growing even when you rest. Liked Leo's story? Hit subscribe for more fun money stories.